Welcome back to the KOM Morning News on Fox 14. Joining us today in the studio is Regina Westhoff and Jim Lovell. They're here to talk about an iconic landmark here in Southeast Kansas and a big celebration coming up. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having us.
I believe you guys are having an event celebrating the 60th anniversary of Big Brutus.
Yes, we are. We're having a big celebration beginning Friday evening at 5 o'clock. Live music kicking off at 6 until 10. Two bands, Rick Cook Band and Final Warning, will be out there with the beer garden and food truck. Saturday's the big day for our event. Starts at 9 o'clock. The museum opens from 9 until 5. And then we have events running all day long. Something for everybody. Family fun. It's $20 for adults. Kids 12 and under get in free. You get a wristband. You can come and go all day long. Inflatables for the kids of all ages. Big draw is going to be Casey Wolf from the Kansas City Chiefs. Is going to be out there from 1 until 4 o'clock. Gus Gorilla will also be out there. The Cherokee County Sheriff's Department is going to have their kitty train. And music kicks off at noon until 10 o'clock with 4 great bands being featured out there.
Nice. From my understanding, this is your first event celebrating Big Brutus?
Yes. And we're this is the beginning. We're planning on several more coming up in the future.
Nice.
We've got some bright ideas for Big Brutus.
That's great. Tell me about the significance of Big Brutus to the community.
Well, in the last 2 years, we've had in excess of 40,000 people go through Big Brutus that had paid customers. We do not get any assistance from the government whatsoever. It's the people that walk through the doors, and no better people in the world that come through the door. We've never had a dissatisfied customer yet.
That means a lot coming from 60 years.
Yes,
Yeah.
60 years,
Yeah.
yes.
Wow.
And we're trying to improve something all the time. Yeah.
And we're encouraging people to come out this weekend. We're counting on Chris and the rest of the meteorologists to give us great weather. But it's going to be fun for the whole family. And people that's going to the farm show, when the exhibits are done there, come out and join us in the evening for the music and the live activities. It's open and welcome for everybody.
Nice. Well, before I let you guys go, just remind us on where the event is at and, how much does it cost to get in?
Okay. The address is 6509 Northwest 60th Street, West Mineral, Kansas. $10 admission for adults 13 and older on Friday, $20 for 13 and above on Saturday.
And then we started on Friday it was 5 p.m. to 10, and on Saturday is 9 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Nice.
And we're just looking forward to having a great turnout and promoting a great legend right here in Southeast Kansas.
Definitely. Well, thank you guys for coming on the show.
Well, thank you for having us.
Yeah, we appreciate you letting us be here and promoting our event.
Of course.
Thank you so much.
We'll be right back.